Hi everyone, welcome to the most important video. In this video, I am going to share with you what I do the most to improve my English on a daily basis. And it's going to be two things that I do on a daily basis that improved my English in very short amount of time. And if you want to be fluent in very short amount of time, I think you should be watching this video till the end so that you get the idea of what I do on a daily basis to improve my English. And as you all know guys, that the rainy season is kicking in, and because of it rained heavily the day after yesterday, fields that were dry became alive again. You can see the greenery. It's so satisfying to see. Okay, and there's going to be another video in which I will be showing you the greenery around my home. So this is where I live. I live in a very small village. So I was actually sitting quietly and on this cot, and I thought, why not make a video talking about what I do the most to improve my English, what I do the most to improve my English on a daily basis. Why not share that so that the people who watch me can follow those tricks and become fluent at speaking English. Okay, so in this video I am going to share with you two things that I do on a daily basis to improve my English. Let me tell you that I do a lot of things to improve my English, to polish my communication skills in English, but these are the two things that I do by default. Means if this has become my habit and this is what I do on a daily basis, so this is something that I do on a daily basis, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. The first thing that I do, actually I tutor children in the morning, and I tutor them for 2 hours, and after coming from my tuition, what I do is I have a habit of reading books. So I read books for 30 minutes every single day. So that's what I do. So the first thing that I do is I read books, and the genre I read is self-help. So if you want me to make videos on what kind of books I read, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely make a video on that. So the first thing that I do to improve my English on a daily basis is I read books, and I read books out loud so that I can hear my own voice. So if you are someone trying to become fluent at speaking English, the first thing that you need to do is read books. Read as many books as you can. What's happen when you read books out loud on a daily basis? The first thing that it helps you with is it helps you with your vocabulary problem. When you are lacking vocabulary, when you speak English and you run out of words, this is what it is going to help you with. If you read books on a daily basis and out loud, you are kind of storing all the new words in your mind, and when you will need it, your mind will give it to you at the right time. Okay, so this is the first thing that it helps you with. And the second thing that it helps you with is when you read out loud on a daily basis, you know how to pronounce some certain words correctly. So what used to happen in my case was, when I used to read books out loud, there were some words that I used to feel that, you know, this is the word that I am not pronouncing correctly, so I should check it out on a Google. So what I used to do was I used to tap on Google the words that I didn't know the pronunciation of, and then in a second I knew the correct pronunciation of the words. Okay, so this is what you can do. Now let me talk about the second tips that I follow on a daily basis. This has also become my habit. So the second thing is I follow shadowing technique. This is my daily rule. It's kind of it has become my ritual. Like I follow shadowing technique. I stand in front of a mirror and then I start talking about that topic. This is what I do. I do it for 15 minutes a day. Like I do it, and I swear to God, I'm not faking it. I'm not telling you a lie. I'm just telling you the truth. This is what I do on a daily basis. I'm not faking. I'm not telling you lie. I am telling you the truth. Like I am telling you the things that I do on a daily basis to become fluent at speaking English. Okay, so if you also want to become fluent speaker, this is what you can do on a daily basis. You can follow these two tips. The first tip is reading books and the second tip is follow shadowing technique. Okay, these two tips are going to make you fluent speaker. If you do it consistently on a daily basis, you are going to become a fluent speaker. And at the end of this video, I want to say you just one thing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel, because it motivates me to make more videos. It tells me that my efforts are being useful out there, my efforts are making a difference out there, and I kind of motivate myself. If you want me to make more videos, let me also know on which topics I should be making videos, so that I can make unique and value packed video.